Okay, we're kind of hyper right now. So don't ask questions. We're on a roller coaster.
Whoa,
Ready?
my hair.
Let's be on a roller coaster.
Wait, my hair is
I want to be on a roller coaster.
My hair is up. Look at this. Whoa.
We're gonna be on a roller coaster.
Right.
Ready?
Wait. I have to fix my glasses. Hey, yo, look. My hair's all jacking up.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Buckle in. We're going up. We're on the top. Look down. That was our interpretation of a roller coaster. Turn it.